Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 gear knob. This task can seem daunting, but with the right approach and a few simple tools, it's quite manageable. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver, some trim removal tools, and possibly a pair of pliers. The key is to understand how your specific gear knob is secured, as there can be slight variations. Always proceed with caution to protect your car's interior trim. To start, you'll need to prepare the shift area. Begin by gently prying up the gear gaiter, also known as the boot, from its base. Use a plastic trim removal tool to carefully release the securing clips around the edges of the gaiter's frame. Once the clips are free, lift the entire gaiter upwards, sliding it over the gear knob. This action will expose the lower section of the gear knob and the shift shaft, revealing the retaining mechanism. Now, let's focus on releasing the gear knob itself. Look for the retaining clip or locking ring situated at the base of the knob, where it meets the shaft. On some manual transmission models, you'll find a single-use metal clip that needs to be carefully pried open with a small flathead screwdriver and pliers. For automatic transmission models, there's often a locking ring that you'll turn counterclockwise to unlock. It's crucial not to depress the shift button on automatic models during this process, as it can cause the mechanism to jam. With the retaining mechanism disengaged, you can now remove the gear knob. Pull the knob firmly and straight upwards off the shift shaft. It might require a bit of force, but it should slide off. If your new knob comes with a separate gaiter, you'll need to detach the old knob from its gaiter. For reassembly, simply reverse the steps. Align the new knob, push it down onto the shaft until it seats, secure the retaining clip or ring, and finally, clip the gaiter back into its housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.